Visual English Lab.
Visual English Lab.
We use can for ability. A bird has wings. It can fly. A dog does not have wings, so it can't fly. What can you do? For ability in the past, we use could. When I was a baby, I couldn't walk. Now I am big. I can walk very fast. Sometimes we cannot do something. Yesterday, I was not able to go, but today is a new day. I will be able to help you tomorrow. It is good to be polite. Open the window is an order. Could you please open the window? Is a nice question. People will help you. When you want something, it is good to ask. The little boy wants a cookie. He asks, "Can I have a cookie?" It is simple. These are action words. I can run fast in the park. I can swim in the water. I like to read a good book every night. Sometimes you do not understand. You can ask how to do this. For example, I do not know how to use this new coffee machine. When something is very hard, you try and try. Then you do it. You manage to succeed. He manages to lift the very heavy box. When something is not right or fair, you can say no. You can refuse to do it. He refused to do the unfair work. When you need something, you can ask a question. For example, if you need help from someone, you can say, "Can you help me, please?" Let's learn actions: to eat, to drink, to read. These are verbs. I eat an apple. You read a book. He is running. She is sleeping. The ing at the end of a verb shows the action is happening right now. We can ask about actions. What is he doing? He is painting a picture. What and doing are for questions. Here is one apple. Now there are 3 apples. We add an S to make it plural. 1 apple, 3 apples. Where is the book? The book is on the table. Where is the cat? The cat is under the table. For possession, we use have and has. I have a book. She has a pen. We have a ball. Has is for he, she, and it. What is he doing? He gives the apple to her. What is she doing? She gives it to him. We use me, you, him, her, it.
For me.
Let's describe a scene. There is one pen on the table. For singular, we use there is. There are 3 books. For plural, we use there are. How often do you do something? I always eat apples. I sometimes ride a bike. I never watch TV. Always is 100%. Never is 0%. To ask for a reason, we use why. Why is he cold? The answer uses because he is not wearing a coat. Why asks, because answers.